Chapter 51. Doing Homework. Our character is a young boy. He is a student. Today, he has a lot of homework. His books, papers, and pencils are ready. He sits down to study the lessons. He opens the book. At this time, he feels hungry. So he goes and takes an apple. And then he goes back to his homework. Then his favorite program is on. So he goes to watch TV. The TV program is over. So he goes back to his homework. At that moment, he wants to listen to music. So he turns on the radio. The music is so great that he can't help dancing. So he dances around the radio. When he gets tired, he looks at the clock on the wall. It is late. He has to get to work. Finally, he finishes at all. He puts